Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn how to easily download and install the current Python version, that is Python 3.11.2 on Windows. With that, we will also run our first Python program quickly. At first, go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. python.org. Click on it. We have reached the official website. Now when you will keep the cursor on downloads, the current version will be visible. That is 3.11.2 and we are downloading for Windows, which is fine. Click on it to download. The download started and completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now you can see the setup started. At first, what you need to do, click on this, add python.exe to path. You can click on install now as well as customize installation. We want to see what we're installing, so I'll go for the customize installation button. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the optional features are checked, which is fine. It will install pip also. Pip is used to download and install Python packages and libraries, so keep it as it is. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. Okay, which is fine. Click on next. Now advanced option, you can directly click on install Python 3.11 for all users. Rest keep the same. This will also set the environment variables for Python. Python 3.11.2 will get installed here. You can click on browse to change the location, but keep it the same. It's fine. Click on install. Now the setup will begin. Now guys, the setup is successful. Click on close. Now go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. So the command prompt is visible. Now let us verify the installation. Type a command python space -- version and press enter. Now you can see we successfully installed the Python 3.11.2. Now let us quickly print something. Type py and press enter. This will take you to Python shell. Let's say I'll just type my name. Okay, and press enter. It printed it. You can also run using IDLE, which we installed if you remember. Go to start, type IDLE, and here it is for Python 3.11. Click on open. Now the IDLE is visible. Do the same thing. I'll just type, let's say, this is fine. Something else. Click on press enter and it will print this. Now you can directly click on file and save this on the desktop, let's say. Here it is. Now let's say I'll name it demo and it will automatically add the extension .py. Click on save. Click on save and let's see, it will be visible here. Here it is, demo.py. So we have our file here. Now if you want to learn all about Python, a free tutorial link is added in the video description as well as pinned comments. Thank you for watching the video.